This Century 21 Sue Gardner Realty property video is presented by Sue Gardner. Spacious 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath brick home on corner lot in Oak Meadows. Open floor plan with lots of windows provide a view of the beautifully landscaped yard. Kitchen has granite countertops with a tumble stone backsplash. 2 pantries, crown molding, plantations, shutters and built-in throughout the home. For more information, review the details below or contact Sue Gardner at 662-842-7878.